Welcome to our channel Smart Story. About houses and rooms types in English with pictures. Tree house, hut, apartment, bungalow, igloo, castle, condominium, cottage, caravan, dormitory, duplex, farmhouse, hotel, houseboat, lighthouse, log cabin, manor house, motel, shack, skyscraper, container house, tent house, stilt house, semi-detached, mansion, villa, teepee, drawing room, kitchen, dining room, bedroom, study room, bathroom, balcony. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel Smart Story.